Hi guys, I'm Phyllis from ORIEMAC. Our company is the top professional construction machinery exporter with 14 years experience. Guess which machine I will introduce today? In the sand and stone industry, there's one wheel loader called the LONKING. Which is it? Let's go and see it. Yes, it's the one behind me, LONKING CDM863N wheel loader. Here is the detail: 23 tons self-weight, 6.5 tons rated loader, 3.4 meters dumping height, and 3.4 meters wheelbase. Besides, the bucket capacity can range from 4 cubic meters to 6 cubic meters according to different working conditions. The front tire is 26.5 to 24. And let's check the engine. WEICHAI diesel engine and Isuzu technology. The horsepower is 240. High efficiency, low noise. The fuel consumption every hour is no more than 9 liters. Reinforced frame structure, heavy driving axle, oil bath filters, and ROPS FOPS cabin. Talked about the cabin, let's have a brief look. Almost 360-degree view for the driver, luxury air conditioner, hydraulic pallet control, adjustable seat and steering wheel, which can ensure the driver of different shape the most comfortable. All in all, extremely high efficiency and quite low cost makes this CDM863N wheel loader one of the most popular wheel loader in the market. If you are interested in it or any other construction machines like excavator, bulldozer, truck ring, motor grader, etc., please contact me freely. I'm Phyllis. See you next time.